Alright students, now we have discussed paper pattern thoroughly, and I hope all of you must have got complete idea regarding what type of questions, what type of activities, what is the structure of the question paper that you must have understood. Now you can see this title Shikshan Spurti. This is a well-known magazine which is available in every schools, and you can personally also subscribe. The annual fees is 2000 rupees, and each issue it is for 200 rupees. But this is very important document, students. All the topper students, their views, their skills you can view through this magazine. So this is the front page of your question paper. As you have entered in 10th standard, every time you will find that such type of answer paper. This is the front page of your answer paper, and this is very important. Many students, they are afraid of if they see this first time, they do not understand what to do, but it is very important. So you will see holocraft sticker. Some of you might not have seen what is holocraft sticker, what is barcode, and what is UID code. So holocraft sticker means once you write all these details, this will be hidden. And barcode sticker, when you get the answer paper in the examination hall, your examiner, that is your supervisor, he himself will stick a barcode sticker in which all the details of your number, they are written in the form of digital form or in the form of barcode. And at the end, when 10 minutes are remaining, you get a holocraft sticker 10 to 15 minutes, and you have to stick that holocraft sticker in such a way that your number or your no information is private, personal information is revealed. Then this is another important column. All the examiners, they verify it before signing your paper. Subject maths, algebra, or you can paper 1. Date, this student has not written because this is the sample paper, but you have to write down the date. Language of answer, many students, they get confused. For English medium, for all papers, your language of answer is English. Means even if you are solving Sanskrit or Marathi or Hindi, your language of answer will be English. Then main answer book 1 plus number of supplements. If you have taken number of supplements, you will have to add, otherwise 0. So total 1. This is also very important thing. This important note I would like to read. So this is important note. उमेदवारांकडून घडलेल्या गैरमार्गांसंबंधी केंद्र संचालकांचे अभिप्राय लालशाहीमध्ये. So no malpractice or any type of objectionable behavior should be there. These are the 5 questions and their marks. They have been entered. This is wrongly entered here. 6 question. Actually there are 5 questions. So this is the specimen. Total marks in figure. Now we will see the actual presentation. Now here what is the most important thing is you should start new question on a separate page, because you will see here question number 1, it has been started. So the examiner, the paper checker, he will check your all sub questions and finally write down the total at the top here. So question number 1A, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4. Question number 1B, 2 plus 2, that is 4. Or in this way, at the top they need to write the total marks of the entire question paper. So question number 1A and its sub question. 2, its option or option number 4. Now this is 2018 sample, but still I am showing you 4 questions. Then in B, the child has attempted the questions, 4 questions. Now question number 2. Question number 3, 3A. Now you can see here the important aspect should be highlighted properly. Wherever you are writing your presentation, it should be neat, clean, and very spacious. Means the examiner should find very easy to check. You should highlight, underline your final answers, etc. So I am showing so as to get an idea how to present the paper, because whole year we are working only for this presentation, only for this target. This is our target. So at the end, when and this cannot be done in one day. A student who solves the papers repeatedly throughout the year, number of question papers, sample question papers, then we automatically understand certain things, that is time management, how to present, how to express, how to beautify our paper. These are also very important things. So in this way you will see this is the sample question paper, which is very neatly written and has got out of marks also. I hope the primary things regarding your textbook, your presentation, your marks weightage, this is almost clear for you. I hope all of you must have seen this, heard this properly, thoroughly, and there are many other things which need to be discussed, which we'll discuss in the next part of the video.